Need your carpets cleaned? Like really need your carpets cleaned? As a local family-owned and operated company with over 20 years experience, knowledge, and training, Eco Cleaning Solutions is here for you. We specialize in removing tough stains that other companies walk away from. Think your carpet needs replaced? We are in the business of saving carpets and therefore saving you money. We offer per room pricing to make it easy with no hidden charges or upselling. Our prices include pre-treating for stains, moving light furniture, and free disinfecting agent for your peace of mind. We are licensed, certified, and insured. If we can't get your carpets cleaned, no one can.